morning, did you get an email from Google AdSense saying your Google AdSense payment account was canceled? Holy, okay, let's talk about this. It's not, well, it is canceled, but it's not. Okay, so you probably got an email that looks something like this. If you're anything like me, you woke up to this and you're like, what did I do wrong? I just didn't think I did anything wrong, but of course I have three YouTube channels. Sure, I didn't do anything wrong. So I started looking into it and I got a little confused because I had just made some changes to an Amazon account and I thought maybe that's what I had done because it was regarding payments, but no, then I was like, no, not Amazon. This is YouTube. What's going on? This is AdSense. So this is what I found out. You don't need to do everything. You are getting paid. If you actually go on your Google AdSense account, look in the top left corner, it'll show you that your Google AdSense account is in fact canceled. And right above it, it'll show you YouTube account, and that is what will be paying you. So we can all relax. We can all know we're still getting paid, but why in a world that is the way the world is right now, did they have to do this to us? I'm sure every one of you was like me and thinking, what did I do wrong? Everyone's getting paid. If you're supposed to get paid, life is good. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope this helped relieve some stress. I was gonna get going on this channel. I didn't know this is how I was gonna get going again on this channel, but hey, I'm gonna bring you all the breaking news as well as teach you YouTube. So sign up, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do if you wanna follow me.